In the sweaty venues of suburban Paris, a new wave of French punk bands is revolutionizing the classic oi sound with dark synth influences and post-punk atmosphere. Bands like Syndrome 81, Roncoeur, and Oi Boys are blending traditional working-class punk energy with France's cold wave heritage, creating what some call cold oi. Unlike their British predecessors, these French bands sing in their native language and maintain a strictly anti-fascist stance while experimenting with slower tempos and electronic elements. Drawing from France's rich history of experimental punk and cold wave, these bands are gaining international recognition and proving that innovation can emerge from tradition.